Well, the Executive Director of ASEPA spent Wednesday night in police custody and has today been put before the Kaneshie District Court. He pleaded not guilty to two charges: false publication and offensive conduct conducive to the peace. He has been granted a bail to the sum of 50,000 Ghana cedis, and the lawyers are going through the processes to have him released on bail. He has just been whisked away in a car, but we will be speaking with the lawyer, Mr. Victor Kojoga Adaodu, to see what really the situation is. We've just seen that your client has been carried away in a car. Does that mean that the conditions have been satisfied and he's now on bail, or he still in the custody of the police?
For now, what I can just say is that yes, the sureties are ready, but the process is that the sureties will have to go and see the houses where the sureties live, and I think that is what the police are going to do, and we believe that before the close of the day or tomorrow morning, he should be free. Man should have some respite of freedom. So that is what we believe.
Does the close of the day look feasible, considering the time at which they are now leaving the court premises?
If it is not, the most important thing is that the court has granted him bail. And the bail the court has granted him, we are grateful to the court. I think the court, in its wisdom, said something that I also appreciated whilst we asked for the bail, that this is not a matter in which the president directly is involved, where the tension in the country, people trying to tear it apart. At least it sends me some wisdom that every time we want to, tango, or there's a banter between each other, we realize that we are tearing this country apart. We need to come together than every time trying to tear each other apart. I saw wisdom in it. Anytime I come to this court, every now and then I find some wisdom in the pronouncement of the court.
That was lawyer for Mr. Mensah Thompson, Victor Kojoga Adaodu, that you just heard there. He is confident in the court and in the processes that are ongoing. But strangely, in court, we also saw some civil society representation. And so let us just speak with the boss of COPEC to find out why they were in court today.
This is a very important issue to us. How many times do politicians not publish, right, circulate or cause to publish issues that sometimes turn out to be completely false? Do they arrest themselves? Those in power today, those in opposition, they have published a lot of things. Sometimes they get a chance to apologize 10 years later. A young man has made a publication. Said within 2 days he's done some checks. He withdraw, retract, and apologize. And this is the best way the country could have handled this. Send the police and the military after him.